if you mind my awesome technical analysis, you can witness the massive green candle we have just seen. And you know why that is? That's because the Fed are exploring payment accounts that would allow crypto and fintech firms direct access to its payment network. I don't know what that means. I see crypto payments and we see green candles, and that's all we have to see. I don't care how it happens, just get the price to go up. Because if we can go high enough, we may get exactly what we want. Now, I'm going to break the bad news straight away. There's a lot of liquidity on the long side. Everyone's jumping along. Everyone's heard this news and they want to buy. So in the immediate short term, we may see a pullback. However, forget that for now. Gold is falling. And you've heard about the grand rotation where gold and silver fly lower and then the money rotates into none other than Bitcoin. That's beautiful. Wow. October explained. That's how it was this morning. But we're feeling a lot better right now because we don't want to be working at McDonald's, do we, lads? Do we? We don't at all. All season this year in 2025. There's too many altcoins, so the liquidity isn't going to go to all of them like it was in previous cycles. It's going to go to select altcoins, the lucky few, I call them. So you have to be very careful in what you invest in this cycle. So, gold. Has gold finally topped? Big move down this morning. And the same with silver. And they were lining up to buy the top. Remember the videos I was showing you where everyone was lining outside the bullions buying gold and silver? That's why I had to sell, bruh. Are you mad? I don't think anyone is prepared for this. Look at the global liquidity. Look at how much catch-up Bitcoin has to do. It's crazy, bruh. And Nvidia looks like it wants to head downwards. There is a rising wedge. If you have a little look at that, there is an actual rising wedge. I've also sold out of Google. I got very lucky because they're down today, but I'm only in on certain assets currently, so be careful. Especially with the Nasdaq, because I've got another fractal here. The Nasdaq could be in for a major correction, almost 40% there. Hopefully not, but the bullish megaphone pattern shows that that is a possibility. October is red for Bitcoin. I'm thinking it is going to end green, but it's just scared everyone in the process. The BTC always bottoms in October. Is that going to happen again? And some people are still bearish, which is awesome, because that means the price can actually go higher. That is exactly what we need to see. Bull market is over, top is in, blah, 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 blah. Heads down, we know how fast this changes. Don't get me wrong though, I'm not just a permabull. If I see profits, I will take them. Like today, I will probably take profits because you need to look at the market in front of you and it's very volatile. You just have to find a way to make money from it. The more times Bitcoin retests this level, the weaker it becomes. Just pray it doesn't retest it again because we could head lower. And that's why people don't trust the pumps in the market, because I told you I don't trust it because it was dumping this morning. But now we are pumping. And it looks like it is going to move in this sort of direction. So the potential targets are about 115 to 120k before we maybe see a deeper pullback or further upside. Let's actually see Laffy's tweet today. Gold so far, silver down, gold down. We follow the action with the opening of the American market. And the market has pumped because of that. Now, BTC is now at a key support level. If this holds, we could pump. A bounce back could happen, hopefully towards these levels up here, and then hopefully higher. Every day I woke up hopeful and then see Bitcoin just reverse every pump. Stocks flying every day and we're stuck with this, getting beyond tired. Facts, man. Stocks are tearing, but the liquidity is on the top side. A lot of liquidity on the top side. Holy, Bitcoin and altcoins are going to make you a very stressed man. We are nowhere near alt season. Altcoin market cap excluding ETH and stables is down 35% from its 2021 all-time high. Until this reclaims, I think we won't get a broad-based alt season. I don't think we're going to get that anyway. It's probably only going to move into a few alts, but we shall see. And that's what happened this morning. The CME gap did get retested at about 107, 108k. And this is why James sold. He took some profits on everything. And he actually sold the majority of his stocks. because everything's overbought. You have to play defensive when the price is this high. Now, I think the last thing that will run and has the possibility to run is Bitcoin. It's sort of like how people are using it. It's like leveraged stocks now. So, this is, I believe, the last rally before a brutal bear market in 2026. Not only for Bitcoin, for stocks, for gold, for silver. People won't even believe in gold and silver. That's how bad it will be. And that's what I'm hoping for as well, because then we can accumulate at low prices, which is exactly what you want to do. Buy high, sell low. No. You want to buy low. You want to buy low and sell high, because you don't want to be the guy who buys high, sells low. You want to sell low, buy low, sell high. You get what I'm saying?